Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage permissions on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. First of all, we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Scroll down once again and go to privacy and then choose permission manager. Over here we have a bunch of permissions like the camera, location, microphone, and so on and so forth. So once you choose a permission, like I did location right now, what you can do is choose apps that have access to that specific permission. So over here we have the list of apps that are allowed to use, in this case, location all the time, those that are allowed to only use when the app is in use, and then we also have apps that are not allowed to use location at all. So for instance, if you choose an app and you want to grant location permission in this case, then you want to choose allow only while using the app. You can also choose to use precise location, or you can choose ask every time. And if you want to remove, then of course, a permission, then you want to go to that app and of course choose don't allow. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.